In this video, we will show you how to replace your EVAP canister vent valve on this Nissan Maxima. This will be located above your rear subframe attached to your charcoal canister. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Safely make your way under the rear of the vehicle. In this area, we can see our rear subframe. We should have two exhaust pipes making their way out from the mid pipe out rearward. One of ours is missing. Above your rear subframe, you're going to be able to see your charcoal canister. Right here is your EVAP canister vent valve. Let's start by disconnecting this lower hose. To do this, I'm just going to be using an angled hose pick. Gently make my way around that EVAP canister vent valve, and I'm trying to separate the hose. Okay, get some movement there. See if we can slide this off. This down to an area where we can see. Just a quick inspection of the end of that hose. Make sure it's not rotted and weak. Now, if you were to look just above where that hose was located, you can see that there's an electrical connector. Up along the top of that electrical connector, it has a small locking tab. We'll squeeze it in and pull this out of place. A quick inspection of that wiring harness. If you see any funny colors, it's corrosion and that would need to be dealt with. Continuing with our angled pick. If you were looking along the rearward side of the vent valve, you're going to find that it has a small locking tab right here. We just want to carefully get underneath that. We're going to gently pry it away, and then we should be able to turn this entire unit counterclockwise to dislodge it from the charcoal canister. Now that we broke it free, let's go ahead and take hold of that. We'll continue turning it counterclockwise. There it is, friend. With that out of position, let's continue on to cleaning and inspecting the mounting point. For this, we're only using a clean rag, never any parts cleaner inside of this canister. Okay friend, let's prepare to install our brand new EVAP canister vent valve. In the area that will go into the port on the charcoal canister, you want to add some lubricant on your O-ring. You can use some clean motor oil or even some petroleum jelly, whatever works best for you. Let's get this in position. We're going to start in a counterclockwise position and then roll it clockwise to the fully locked position. Okay, it's starting to slide in. Now let's bring this all the way clockwise until it's locked in right up against this ear. Audible click. A light tug confirming it's properly secured. Continue on with your electrical connector. We'll make sure we have our locking tab facing straight up. Press it in, listen for an audible click, and a light tug confirming that's secured. Now it's time for the lower hose. We'll take hold of this and we'll slide it onto the lower port on our vent valve. Slide it onto the valve as far as possible, and we'll continue on to giving this a little tug, making sure it's properly secured. Okay friend, we finished the installation of our EVAP canister vent valve. Safely make your way out from under the vehicle. Start up your vehicle and let it run for a short while. Make sure you have no check engine light, no running condition, and take your vehicle for a road test. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.